This 2011 Four Winds International Hurricane 31D is a Class A RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa, 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Four Winds International is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a Milano Brown with glazed maple cabinets interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2011 Four Winds International Hurricane 31D is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.